Hi, welcome to another Labnote session. In this session, we are going to discuss site-to-site VPN. Here is our VPN topology with the R1 and R2, and we have ISP router which is connected to have a reachability from R1's loopback to R2's loopback and vice versa. So basically, we have done static routing from ISP towards each subnet, and from R1 and R2 there is a default route to ISP. So we aim to configure IPsec VPN between R1 and R2, and the interested traffic will be R1 and R2's loopback. So let's go to router R1. What I have done is I have configured IP address fast Ethernet 0/0 with 1.1.1.1, loopback 0, IP address configured 192.168.1.100/32, and show IP route. A default route is configured towards ISP address, and similarly IP address have been configured at R2 and default route towards ISP. So if we can check 192.168.1.100 is the loopback IP address of R1. It's should be reachable. Yep. So vice versa, we have reachability. I'll just show you 168.2.100 loopback 0. So let's configure the IPsec. For that, we need to create crypto ISACAM policy 1, then hash, we'll give SHA, authentication will use pre-shared, either we can use pre-shared or certificate. We'll go for pre-shared in this lab. Group 5, encryption will use AES 256. Now we need to create ISACAM key. CISCO address, CISCO is the key, and address 2.2.2 is my remote address. So this address is basically a peer address. So crypto, we have configured policy and key. Now we'll configure crypto ACL, access list, IP access list extended, we'll name VPN, permit, IP host 192.168.1.100 is our source from R1, which is going to 192.168.2.100, and now we need to create a transform set. Crypto IPsec transform set TS PAES ESP SHA hatchback. We need to decide which parameters we have to use. So based on the agreement between our side and remote side, we can decide. So some supports some parameters some doesn't support, and maybe we'll have a security advisory which needs to be used. So based on that we can take a decision. So now we need to create a crypto map. CMap, I'll use sequence 1 second. Okay, IPsec, and now we need to call all the parameters which we have configured there. So which is match address, the crypto ACL, then set transform set which we have created, then set peer which is our remote address, which is 2.2.2. now we are done. We need to apply somewhere, so which is faster than 0/0. It's not somewhere, we need to apply on right interface. So in our case it's a 1.1.1. so crypto map CMap, that's it, we are done. Now let's go to R2 and configure the same. Crypto ISACAM policy 1 hash, we are using SHA authentication pre-shared group 5. Encryption will use AES 256. Then crypto ISACAM key we need to configure. CISCO address 1.1.1. This address is our remote peer address. Then access list, which is crypto access list extended VPN. Permit IP host 192.168.2.100 from R2's side, which is 2.100, and which is going to 192.168.1.100. so this is our crypto ACL. It has to be a mirror image of the remote peer, so that is very important. Even if it is not, I have seen it's working, but some vendors, no, it won't accept. So now we have done IP access list done. Now we need to create transfer set TS ESP AES ESP SHA HMAC. Now crypto map CMap ISACAM CMap sequence 1 IPsec ISACAM set transform set TS set peer 1.1.1 match address VPN. We are ready. Now we need to apply on right interface crypto map CMap. Yes, so if you can check show crypto ISACAM SA, no tunnels will be formed, since we need to initiate some traffic. Basically interested traffic should be triggered, then only tunnel will form. (192.168.2.100) and it should be coming from the loopback 0. Yes, now so show crypto ISACAM SA. Yes, we have tunnel performed. This is the destination and source, and status is active, state is QM idle, quick mode idle. So this is how we can check the SA status, and we need to check show crypto IPsec SA, so we can find how many packets encapsulated and decapsulated. So all this information we can find here.